Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this easy and beautiful stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your jean sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 12 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 12 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. For the demonstration I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12 24 and 2 edge stitch 26. So row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, knit all stitches. Knit all stitches. Row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and purl all stitches with 2 times raft yarn. Row 5. On row 5, your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, unwrap 6 stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6. Unwrap 6 stitch 2 4 6 and shift this 6 stitch to your left hand needle like so, and then we're going to pass over these 3 stitch, these 3 over these 3 stitch, right? We're going to pass over like so, see, and then put it back here, right? And then knit this 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. and we have done 6 stitches here, and unwrap 6 again here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 4 6, and then without shifting this 6 stitch to a left hand needle, you're going to pass this 3 stitch over this 3, like so, right? See, and then put this 3 back and then knit this 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That's the repeat. See, this 6 stitch and this 6 stitch. Repeat that again. Unwrap 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then shift this 6 stitch to your left hand needle and then pass this 3 over this 3, like so. And put it back and then knit 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then pass over these 3 stitch, like so, and then knit this 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have done 2 repeats here. This is 1 repeat and this is 2 repeat, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, last row, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 6 rows, row 1 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.